I was gonna do some i5 news shit. All right, so hey, my name's William. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I got in my VZR Model Ones. Finally, I pre-ordered these about a month and a half ago, and really excited to open these up. They just showed up on the counter last night, or on the front porch last night. Let's get this paper out. It comes in a very beautiful hard case, and this here is the VZR Model One. Oh, lovely. There we go. And there we go. Oh, wow, this has a list of all the great features on the back too. I'm liking this. Can't wait. Yeah, if I mean, you guys can see, I'll just pull the headset out, but it does have a nice little breakdown of some of the internals of this. Of course, it showed that on the website when I finally went to order it. I was so excited when I got the message that pre-order was available on this, and they just started shipping this week. So, oh wow, yes. I'm gonna put this away. So these things are meant to go around anybody's ear, and they're super plush, and they breathe. Let's go ahead and try these on, because this will bring up my second thing. Oh, it does make a seal. Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
I don't feel the cushions either. There's no pressure around my ears. There's no pressure on my head. It's actually between the cushions and between this armband, which actually this is the other thing that I've been really waiting for, because I got some sensitivity issues on my head from an abscess I had to have surgically removed a long time ago. So I don't like things touching my head in particular ways, and this is cradling my head in a way that I almost can't even tell, and I don't have to adjust the arms. I don't have to adjust anything. Everything just kind of like floats down and it seals. And it's so comfortable. It's almost like it's not even there, even though I know it's there, and I also can't hear anything. The moment I put these on, I can hear almost absolutely nothing around me. So let me go ahead, set these down, and talk about the other things that came in here. So first thing that comes out of here is the detachable chat mic. And I am going to sit here, and that's right here. Oh, it only goes in one way. So these are even set up to make it easy for you to put in. They've got a nice little groove here that shows you which way they're supposed to go in. Which, let's see. I mean, so it's a stationary mic when you go to put it, but it does have a flexible arm. You can pull it away. And I'm not too sure about the performance of the mic. That's one of the things I didn't get to test. But when you're not using your mic and you're just listening to music, you can put it away. I love it. All right, so our first cord here, going up into it, and that's a lot of cord space. One thing I hate about most of my headsets is the fact that there's never enough cords. It's wrapped in cloth, it looks really durable. And as my cohort here was talking, the back of this mic, it has an inner mic already installed if you don't want to use the boom mic. All right, and then you have your mute button there for when you don't want to use either of them. Here, so this is our splitter that comes so that you, depending on the device you're using, can split between, this one is for the headset in, and this is for your mic in, whenever you're going to plug. So it's an adapter to put at the end of your cordage, and then you have your extension for your cords, just in case you need a little bit more space to get to your computer or wherever else you're plugged into, and mobility. That is awesome, and I'm really gonna need that whenever I go doing my stuff. And then it still gives you plenty of length before you actually plug into the headset. I mean, that's a lot of space just naturally anyway. Looks fairly easy. The cord is marked with right, and I'm going to assume, well, I hate to assume because you know what that means, right? Found them. Just inside here right up underneath this little retention band, that self-adjustment band, on the inside, it's right or left in a nice little target. Absolutely beautifully done. I would have expected it to be on here, but that's actually very well placed. So now I know they are, but I mean, these things full swivel. So you can adjust them if you have that weird, you know, Eggman shaped head or whatever else, you know? And again, this retention band, so that takes care of so many senses. This thing self-fits for you. You don't have to do any adjusting, just get it on. Nice go. It's just enough weight so you know it's there, but it's nice and lightweight. It's easy to set up. It's easy to plug in. You got all the pieces here. This beautiful carrying case too. And I can't hear you guys. Well, I can't hear anything, period. Easy to pull apart for when you need to go transporting it. And this beautiful carrying case to go with. After they give you all of this, the beautiful headsets, it's got carbon fiber backings and everything else, comfort fit. After they give you all the cords, they still give you the adapters to hook into better sound systems. You know, if you're a music goer or something like that. And like I said, this is very similar to the jack for aviation too. I like that. Well, I don't know if, I mean, obviously.
I mean, everybody's not going to be able to hear your music, but
I just want to see what this is like. I have been using crappy headset for so long. I mean, my headsets, just because, you know, I've never been able to find a good, comfortable one.
Can I recommend a song on YouTube?
What's that?
It's "Hoist the Colors" by Colin McGuinness.
Okay.
It's got like you'll understand. It'll give you goosebumps with that headset.
Let's get these guys going. Oh, it's so easy on my ears. Oh, I don't feel the throbbing. My tinnitus isn't even acting up right now. This is awesome. Okay. So volume control is going to be limited to my phone. Switch is... Oh, wow.
Is it loading?
This might turn into a review of this guy and his song.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's why I wanted you to play that specific song, because of just the
noise is, I mean, the sound is absolutely amazing. I can't hear anything outside of this. Wow. All right, so that shanty was absolutely amazing for starters. Hoist the Colors, go looking it up by...
I believe his name is Colin McGuinness, if I'm not mistaken.
Yep, Colin McGuinness. All right, so here's the first biggest thing. With his song, it doesn't get to a lot of high pitches or whatever, and usually on any of my other headsets, I would have had to turn the volume all the way up to max just to be able to like identify any of the sounds in there. And my volume is, I turned it down twice. So my volume is right now half on my phone, and I can hear the whole thing clearly. Like, I'm hard of hearing. I've worked around guns, I've worked around aircraft, I've worked around all sorts of stuff, and just, man, it's so nice finally.
So worth the price?
I'm sorry, I'm starting to tear up here. I haven't actually heard anything so clearly in so long, since before my military career even kicked off. Okay, wow. Oh, sorry about this, guys.
No, I mean, hey, I got kind of the same way, to be honest with you, at first, because there's so many things I just didn't hear before, and it was like, it's incredible.
Oh, wow. And then my tinnitus is not acting up right now. And I could actually hear what he was doing. I could hear all of the... Oh, wow. I might actually be able to start listening to music again. Okay. That was absolutely amazing. Hey, okay, let's see. Thanks to the manufacturers, VZR, And guys, get online and check this out. And also thanks to viewers, right? So,
Who are you?
who am I? I'm the guy with the shield. Oh yeah, no. I'm your local Viking. My name is Cohawken, and I Minecraft. I manage a realm. I'm actually thinking about picking up some other games, SAO, Fatal Bullet, some other first-person shooters, other things like that. But as other than video games, hey, I'm a veteran. I served my 15 years, just recently got out. I'm happily out of the military and looking for a new adventure, and this is one of them. This actually is a reward for myself. It's been an ongoing thing. Hex has been tracking me, helping keep me accountable, but I quit smoking a little over 6 months ago, right in January, and we are in August now. Haven't had a cigarette since, and every day that I've made it without a cigarette, I've put $5 away, because that's about what I was spending, is $5 a day, and every day I've put away that money, and that money got up to almost $800, and the VZRs came out on pre-order, and I was like, you know what? I'm rewarding myself. And these VCRs are my present to myself, and they're more of a present than I thought, because I'm still kind of blown away. The sound was amazing. Again, I still haven't heard a sound like that in a while. But that's who I am. That's what these are for. These are my present to me. That's who I am. I'm a dad. I have 3 children, and I have wonderful friends and family. And I'm just me on another adventure. I was a smoker for 10 years. I was against smoking prior to that, and then I was so addicted that I could never quit. I tried dozens of times. And this time I just got lucky enough to have some good support. And look, you got something like that in your life, reward yourself. That's how you do it. Reward yourself. It may not be this. This was actually a secondary thought to the rest of the board, because I'm saving up that money for a whole year until I can give myself a nice little vacation, and I'm gonna go fishing. And that's actually gonna be part of my future streams, hopefully, is me out either fishing, hiking, camping, doing something. I love the outdoors, and I love teaching people wonderful things about the outdoors and how to survive. And that's gonna be something of who I am too in the future.
So check him out, Cohawken on Twitch.
Yeah, check me out. Well, I mean, I'm not that good looking.
He games.
I game. I am game. All right. Thanks everybody for watching the show, and y'all have a great day. Jump over, check out the VZR site, and get yourself a pair.